Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a newsletter in Flodesk. Flodesk is a platform that you can get started on for completely free. Whether you're looking to start doing your email marketing as a complete beginner or you have some experience, this can work out to be the platform for you. All you need to do is go onto flodesk.com. Then from there, you can tap on try it for free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. You can use your email address. Once you have signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you're just going to select emails. After selecting emails, from the left-hand menu option, you can see the different categories. So whether it is shared news, welcome, money, you have the different options that you can choose from, as you can see right there. So let's say, for example, we were to select the announcement option right here, this template. We'll tap on view details. After you have done that, you can tap on customize it and you'll be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, it is quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is simply go to the top right there and you could add in your logo. So you could tap on manage my logo from the right hand menu option. And then from there, you could tap on click or drag to upload and you could upload a logo image. So let's say, for example, I were to use a random image, let's say this one. After doing that, you could also put in your company website URL to make it clickable. Then you'll tap on save and you can see the logo has been added right there. If it is a case that you would like to add something else to this section, you could tap on the plus. Then from there, you can see the different elements that you can quickly add. Then by going down, we're just going to leave this as is. So by going down, you can start editing the other sections. So you could tap where you see flash sale and you could edit the text if you want. And you can also go over to the right hand menu option. And from there, you could change the font style and size. Then by going back onto the page, you could tap right here. Then go over to the right hand menu option and select upload image. And you could upload the image that you would like to use on your design. So let's say, for example, this image just for example's sake. Then we'll tap on open. After you have done that, you can see the image has been added. You can change the shape if you want by tapping on the shape from the right hand column. So we are going to be using the square shape instead. After doing that, if you would like to make it clickable, you could tap on link and you could paste in the link right here that you would like to redirect persons to. If it is a case that you would like to attach a file, so you could tap on attach file, then you could select upload file and you could upload the file, or you can paste in the link, then tap on link action and you can choose what you would like to happen next. Whether you would like it to go open in a new tab or you would like to add it to a segment or a workflow, you can do that. Then by scrolling down, you can continue editing the different sections. And once again, if you would like to add a new section or element, you can tap on the plus and you can see the different elements that you can quickly add. So whether you would like to add a video, Instagram feed, a button, anything at all, you can add it right here. You can add social media. You can also add a countdown timer. Or if you would like to add a product, you could tap on e-commerce. And then from there, you can see the product layout right there. You could go over to the right hand menu option and you could edit that and you could add your product. It's as easy as that. Also, if you would like to remove a section, all you need to do is select this section, then you could tap on delete and you can delete that particular section, as you can see right there. And by scrolling down, you can add the images right here, or you could choose to delete this section also by selecting the section, then tapping on the trash can. And scrolling down, you can continue editing. Then you could tap where you see the social media links and you could tap on links in the top right hand corner. Then tap on manage social media links and you could add the icon and then you can put in your social link right there. Once you're finished, you are going to go up to the top and you're going to tap on next in the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on continue. From here, you can fill in your address. So let me do that real quick. Then you will tap on save. After tapping on next, from here you can put in your social icons are not linked. So I'll tap on continue and I could link them, or I could simply scroll down and remove it. So let me do that. I'll just tap right there and remove them. Then we'll tap on next. After tapping on next, you'll be redirected to this page, and this is where you'll be able to choose your audience. So you could give your audience a name if you're just getting started. So I'll type in test, who's this email coming from, so you could fill in your name right there. After doing that, you can tap on continue in the top right hand corner. Then you could write your subject line, so you can add your subject line right there, and you can add in your preview text. Then you'll tap on continue. After doing that, you can choose your recipients, so you can either tap on individuals and you could add in the individual name and email right there, so you can put in the email addresses right there, or you could go back and you could tap on upload CSV and you could upload your CSV file, or you can tap on add segments. Then from there, if you have created a segment before, you could select it, or you can create a new segment and tap on save. After you have chosen your recipients, you'll tap on continue, and then from there you'll be able to send it. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.